Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Loft credit card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser in order to begin. Type in d.community.net/loft in the URL box at the top and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in this page where you can see the sign in button at the top of the screen. Click on sign in and you'll be able to see the sign in area or the login area displayed on the right hand side of the screen. Simply enter your username and your password in the text boxes appearing on the right hand side, and once you type in all of those information, you can click the sign in button. But in case you don't remember your username or your password, click on forgot username/password link beneath the sign in button and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for your credentials. If you'd like the system to remember your credential, check this remember me box beneath. Leave it unchecked if you are using a public or a shared computer. Once you are done, click the sign in button and you'll be able to log into your Loft credit card online. That's how you can easily log into your Loft credit card. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.